First and foremost, I would like to welcome each one of you to this training. This has been a long process. We started this over a year ago. We had about 400 people who have been trained online in English, 2 batches, French, 2 batches, and Portuguese, 1 batch. And in the second part, we have planned to train 80 people, 40 from the English group, with a few Portuguese who can speak English or understand English. And again in March we would have the second one for the French group, another 40, again with a few Portuguese. This particular training that we are doing, it's part of, let's say, sustainability, is part of continuity. You are going to be the agents. You are going to be the people who are going to train others. So you are really going to be the agents of change, of transformation in your own training centers, as well as in the countries where you work. Please keep this responsibility in mind as you undertake this training. My wish and prayer for each one of you that you really benefit from this and be true agents in your countries and in your provinces. So, most welcome and enjoy the training and benefit from it. And all the best to ITC-ILO team as well.